This is the most expensive FABFITFUN box I have ever gotten. I am beside myself excited. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm Allee-Sutton Heathcote. Whether you are one of our older friends or you are new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. We are going to be doing several things in today's video. Number one, I'm going to explain what FABFITFUN is, how it works, and what's the benefit of participating. Number two, we are going to unbox and review fall 2025 box. And three, at the very end, we are going to go over all the things that I got in the summer 2025 box, and I'm going to give my thoughts and more of a review now that I've had time to live with them and use them. So what is FABFITFUN? FABFITFUN is a seasonal subscription box service that delivers a curated selection of full-sized products across beauty, fashion, fitness, wellness, and home categories. Subscribers can choose an annual or season plan, with the annual plan offering customization perks and early access. The main draw of FABFITFUN is the opportunity to discover new brands and products at a discounted price, along with the fun and excitement of receiving a curated box each season. To give you an example of the kind of savings you can expect with FABFITFUN, I am somebody who has an annual subscription. That means each box is roughly $65, while the value of today's box is $488. So what's in my box? Let's kick things off with item number one, the Mela Artisan Scalloped Edge Mango Wood Board, valued at $100. Handcrafted by skilled artisans in India using sustainable mango wood, the Scalloped Edge Wood Board brings a stylish twist to any table. Its scalloped edge gives your charcuterie spread a unique, elevated look. Whether you're serving food or displaying treasures, it's a beautiful piece for entertaining and an even better gift for your favorite host. Okay, here it is. So I actually went to India in December and got to witness a lot of artisans working up close and was blown away by their craft. So when I saw this as an option, I immediately prioritized it in the customization phase. I think it's beautiful. I think it's a really nice size, a beautiful stain. Of course, the scalloped edges are the star of the show. It has little gripper feet on the underside. I went ahead and styled it with some other items that we got in our box to show you how beautifully this can be styled for fall in your home. It's going to make a stunning centerpiece as we move into autumn, my favorite season. Can you believe we're talking about fall? I wore a sweater even though it's like 80 degrees in Nashville today. I'm pretending it's fall. It's cloudy outside. We've got our fall box. I'm just really excited. One of the great things about FABFITFUN is it's actually a really great way to shop for gifts. When you get these boxes, you could intentionally select things that you could set aside, and then you're doing a lot of birthday, holiday shopping for a discounted price and getting things that people would really love. Now, I do know that this is something my sister Meredith would probably love, but I'm gonna keep it for myself. Sorry, Mare. Next up, we have the Citrine Cream and Sugar set plus the Talking Tables Pumpkin Salt and Pepper Shaker set bundle. This is valued at $75. Featuring a sleek ceramic pitcher and lidded sugar pot, this set from Citrine adds a refined touch to your coffee or brunch setup. Its clean, modern design blends well with any kitchen decor. Pair it with the Talking Tables Pumpkin Salt and Pepper Shaker to add some fall flair to your home decor for the season while keeping it chic and neutral. I couldn't wait to show you guys. I styled these on the cutting board and look how cute it looks. I just put a simple cream colored candle with it, and I think this is perfect pre-fall decor because it is subtle and neutral. It's not screaming fall yet, it's just whispering it as I want to do on August 1st. This is the first time I've actually seen FABFITFUN do bundled items. So I didn't actually know when I was making selections that these came together, and I was blown away when I got them both. I do love how they think about what we're doing each season and try and give you things to help kind of celebrate and enrich life during that time. Because when I put this together, it did give me the nice feeling of a fall morning, lighting a candle, having coffee, and having these beautiful little decorations in your home that do kind of romanticize your life. I loved these. For our next item, we have the Love AJ Seashell Threader Earring in the color silver. These are a $58 value. Minimalist and lightweight, these seashell threader earrings slide effortlessly through the ear, adding a subtle yet stylish touch to any look. Available in gold or silver plating, they offer graceful movement and shine for a delicate contemporary finish. I love a dangly earring. This is common knowledge. I wear dangly earrings all the time. There is a pair that I have had forever and ever that are gold with a little CZ on them that I use and abuse. And so when I saw this in the selection, I was like, I need to have something similar in silver just because I know how much wear and use I get out of these. The quality in person looks really great. They're beautiful, they're simple, they go with everything. I am really excited to wear these. I can dress them up, dress them down. They're going to become a staple in my wardrobe. Next up, with a $22 value, we have the Bondi Boost Heat Protectant Spray. This ultra light mist protects your hair from heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit without weighing it down, because protection shouldn't come with baggage. It's clinically proven to be effective, 100% vegan and cruelty free, with a formula that leaves your strands softer, shinier, and ready to take the heat. So as somebody with typical Hashimoto's hair that's dry, brittle, fragile, heat protection is so important to me. I looked this up online and it had great reviews, so I was really eager to try it. If you guys have tried it, let me know. Of course, the next time I do FabFitFun, I will have used this and I can give you my review. I obviously have to style my hair for work a lot, so I'm always looking for the best heat protectant. So I'm so eager to try this. Of course, as we go into fall and winter as well, with our heat being on in our homes, that's a recipe for your hair to dry out. So this will benefit us all. Let's keep our hair silky through the end of the year. In keeping with that sentiment, the next item we have is the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Hair Mask, 250 milliliters for a $36 value. Amika's Soul Food Nourishing Mask is loaded with vitamins and nutrients to deeply condition and soften your hair. It's lightweight enough for daily use, so your strands stay silky and nourished without any heaviness. I love Amika. I have had hairstylists use it on me on set quite a bit. It always smells incredible and my hair seems to react well to it. The only other Amika product I own is actually Shine Mask that we got in a FabFitFun box that I used so quickly. It was so effective. It really brought a lot of brightness and shininess back to my hair, which has a tendency to get dull. So I am super excited to try the Soul Food Mask. I did already open it up. I wish we had smell-o-vision because the smell is unbelievable. Maybe if you guys want, I can try to do a little before and after video, but let me know if that's something you're interested in seeing. I'm so excited about this next item. We got the Steve Madden Misty sunglasses, which are valued at $48. Step up your style with these vintage-inspired oval sunglasses framed in chic almond gold metal. The solid green lenses add a classic touch that never goes out of style, perfect for making a subtle statement. I love sunglasses, and these, chef's kiss. Love the protective case they come with. It comes with a really nice lens cloth. I'm sure you guys could tell in my product B-roll. These were dirty because I've been wearing them. I love these. They're classic, amazing. I think 10 out of 10. So beautiful, feel expensive, feel so good. Will be wearing these constantly. And last but certainly not least, we have the 8 Other Reasons vegan leather slouchy bucket bag. This is valued at $149. Crafted from faux pebble leather with a suede-like lining, this vegan leather slouchy bucket bag blends function with everyday style. Dual straps and an open main compartment make it easy to grab and go. It's your effortless, elevated companion for daily errands or nights out. So whenever I talk about value with FabFitFun, I hope you can see how easily you can make your money back with just one item you get in your box, like this bag. Double the amount that we would have paid just for the box alone. And look at it, it's beautiful. I am so excited. This is a bag, even though it's in the fall box, this we can wear for the entire year. I love getting good quality pieces that are strongly reviewed that I can get a lot of utility out of. I am so excited to have something like this that I can dress up or down. And of course, if I carry this during the fall, it's nice to have something a little bigger that I can throw gloves and a little toboggan into if I'm out and about. I think it's gorgeous. Like I said, feels so high quality in person. Extremely versatile and easy to style. These picks blew me away, 10 out of 10, and I feel so lucky because the only reason I get to do this is because you guys. So thank you. You take time out of your day to watch this and use my discount or click on the link, and that's the only reason that I'm able to have these opportunities. And whenever one of these boxes shows up, it really does make my day better. And so whenever that happens, I even just have a moment of gratitude for you guys to myself because I really am grateful. So thank you. Okay, now let's talk about the things we got in the summer box and what I thought about them. So I got the dip bowls and the platter. And when I tell you I have used these constantly this summer, I love them. They have really washed well. I've not had any kind of issues with quality or how they've stood up in the wash. Everything still looks pristine and brand new. They have been my go-to. I love at the end of the night just getting one of these out, getting a scoop of homemade ice cream, a little cherry on top, and feeling, yeah, like that moment where I'm romanticizing my life. I think that's something that FABFITFUN is really great for. The Juliet has a gun fragrance that I got in the summer 2025 box. Love it. You guys know I love fragrance. This is one that I've wanted for a long time. If I am having a day where I just want something that's light, easy, and smells so good, I reach for this. Even though it looked smaller when we got it, it's only takes a very little bit, so this size has been great and it's gonna last me a long time. Next up, the Swede mascara. I've not tried it yet. I have gotten so many mascaras lately that I've been reviewing. Check them out here on my channel or on my Instagram or TikTok. But I promise that when I do try it, I will let you guys know. If you've tried the Swede mascara, let me know what you think in the comments down below. The Thrive eyeliner, use it constantly. Absolutely love it. It's a fantastic product. Does not smudge, does not budge, but just gives that perfect little smokiness to any eye. I have used it every single day since I had it. It's still going strong. It's a phenomenal product. And last but certainly not least, the Siren Silk Bio Retinol Cream. Another instant classic. Like I said, with Hashimoto's, you're just dry, and this has been so great. At the end of the night, putting this on and just drenching my skin in excellent moisture, and then waking up the next morning and still feeling moisturized and like my skin is bright and clear. 10 out of 10. Never had any breakouts, never had any reaction, only had good results. I love it. FABFITFUN, they're acing it. What do you guys think? Have you tried FABFITFUN? What have you gotten in your box that you like? What of this would you most like to try? Let's talk about it all. Don't forget to use those links and discount codes. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!